Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's abstract project, I'm using this distress paint, which is barn door cracked pistachio. Then this is twisted citron and mustard seed. These are distress paints. So I'm going to use those on this project. So first, I'm going to use barn door. So I'm going to use the brush and I'm going to just apply it. This is like a fun abstract project. So I'm going to take the next color now, that is mustard seed. Then I'm going to add a little more of barn door color. Then I'm going to use this cracked pistachio in that, and I'm going to blend it. Then I'm going to use twisted citron little bit. Now I'm adding little more of the barn door color project in this project. Then now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to add this white paint using brayer. I'm going to make it softer. Now I'm going to um, stamp on this. I'm using this stamp. I don't know if this stamp is available now. Now I'm going to stamp this on one side first. So it did not come out too dark, but I'm going to uh, later work on that. Now I'm going to add this stamp again on the side. So now I'm going to wipe this and put away. Then I'm going to dry this first. Then I'm going to use black acrylic paint and darken those areas. So if sometimes if it doesn't get stamped properly, don't worry about it. You can use acrylic paint or pen, or so you can use those, any of those, and darken it if you want to. Otherwise you can um, separately stamp it and add it in this project. I know that will be difficult, but that's why I like to not worry about it much because it's an abstract project. So if I want it, I'll just add acrylic paint and darken it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just play with it and have fun with it. So I'm just scribbling a little bit at the same time and spreading it out. This definitely would not have been if I used only stamp. So now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to use this kind of like a stitched stamp. And I'm going to add this in this project. So it gets like extra texture, like a dotted lines and other things in this one. This is optional. If you still want to scribble it with pen, you can still do it. So I'm adding some more dotted stamp. Now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to use this alphabet. It's like a grungy alphabet stamp. This is from Stampers Anonymous. So I'm going to add those stamp in this. So I'm going to add the other alphabet in the different area. I like those grungy kind of alphabet. And this has even numbers at the bottom. So now I'm going to dry this again. Then I'm going to see if I have to darken it anywhere. So I'm going to darken it a little bit. Then I'm going to use the pencil and I'm going to circle it. Then I'm going to color it. Then I'm going to use this mustard seed and the barn dough color. I'm going to add those and make it brighter. Then I'm going to add two more circles in this because it needs some colors. So I'm going to add two more circles and I'm going to color it using um, uh, different colors in that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it can be like a grungy style. So I'm going to add those colors like barn door and uh, cracked pistachio, and the other one is twisted citron. I'm going to add those all in that, but make sure that uh, the black paint is fully dried, otherwise it'll become muddy kind of color. Then I'm going to dry all these. Then I'm going to now add white acrylic paint and just scribble it in the outline and do some doodling. And these are optional. If you want to do it, it's fine. Otherwise, you can use any Posca pen or any white pen. So I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button and leave your comments below. Um, I hope it was interesting. And if you like it, please don't forget to also share it. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.